Alright, so we are starting from where we left in our grease pencil, which is operations. Sorry, we did complete it right. Now we are doing operations. Now we have first node, which is grease pencil to curve. As its name says, it is going to convert our grease pencil into curve. And I know we can't see anything because let me actually add something here. Maybe points. Yeah. So what it does, maybe not points, but this sphere. Yeah. What it does, it just basically converts our grease pencil into a curvature. Okay, so this is a curve now. Earlier it was a grease pencil, right, like this, but now it is a curve. That's what it does, and that's how it works. So that was grease pencil to curve, and we have option of merge layer. Now first of all, understand what is this merge layer. This basically means, let's just say we have multiple grease pencil, and let's actually create a new grease pencil. Let's just say this, and let me actually name this GP1. Okay, GP1. Okay, let's actually add a second one, which we can rename GP2. GP2. Okay, so what this exactly is doing, we have 1 and 2, grease pencil 1 and grease pencil 2. We have 2 layers of grease pencil, not 2 layers but 2 instance, but this 2 instance have layer named as layer. So let me actually name it as layer name here. Okay, and this exact layer is present inside my GP2, which means grease pencil 2 and grease pencil 1 both have same named layer. Okay, so when we have same named layer, we can merge them by their name, and we can just output it as a grease pencil. So it is just taking that layers from GP1 and GP2, and it is taking that layers and merging it as a one layer. So if you are familiar from designing background, there are going to be layers when you're going to draw something. If you're a digital artist, you know what I mean by that. You need to draw something, and that's why there will be a point where you need to merge some layer. It is similar like a Photoshop, where you merge the layers, and it is just going to do the same operation. As its name says, it is going to merge it. So, but it is going to merge it according to either name or either group ID. But obviously this group ID can be fed from ID. So it only gives you additional input option. So you can feed your information, your ID information into your group ID. Basically that's the main thing. Selection, it gives you selection option. So again, you can do some selection according to whatever you need if you want to do it. And it takes the grease pencil input. But basically that is what a merge layer does. Okay. So let me just give you a very short brief. Grease pencil to curve, as its name says, it is going to convert your grease pencil to a curve. So you can do a curve operation. And then we have a merge layer, which is going to collectively merge different layers of a grease pencil. But you need multiple grease pencil with multiple layers in order to work. Because we can combine that painting, we can combine that digital painting basically, right? So yeah, basically that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video and subscribe to channel so you don't miss the next part.